being in the city and down south around London, surrounded by concrete jungles and plastic people, it was so nice to escape the humdrum and the normal routine and just head on back to the mountains. The mountains of Scotland have always brought me freedom and happiness. It's always nice to disconnect from society and modern conveniences and come to wild places like these. This time in the Western Highlands, I decided to climb a well-known munro in the area, Ben Starav.
I don't mind staying up all night, 'cause I came to get it right, and I won't leave without a fight. Out in the dark, nobody came for my rescue, and I won't come to rescue you. Out in the cold, you bring it on. I'm telling you, no, but you just wait, 'cause I know where it came from, and then you go from.
Sun has finally come out. I am about an hour and a half into my walk and it's absolutely stunning. Today I'm climbing a munro that is in the Glencoe area. I think you can just see the peak right in the distance. So I'm going to keep cracking on now. I'm so close to the summit now, really close, and you can just see over Loch Etive. It's absolutely stunning. I'm just on my way down and it is absolutely stunning. It is so beautiful. I've just come out the cloud cover and the wind's picked up and it's pushed it all. And there's like a sort of formation down there, like an inversion, and it is stunning. I've just got this boulder scramble a little bit and I'm back along that ridge. So I'm going to show you now, but it is so stunning. I want to fly the drone up, but I'm worried about the wind. This is so nice. This is what it's all about. I'm in my element.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
Right, that's it. Munro done and dusted. Completed it, mate. After my hike, I returned to this beautiful hut that you've probably seen in some older videos. Right, had such a good day, such a nice walk, really enjoyed it. Literally just got back in time because it's absolutely started to piss it down outside. So got my dinner on. Tonight on the menu we've got steak in my Phil Company cast iron skillet, and we got carrots and potatoes. So that's a really nice meal after today. What I'm doing now is I've got this foam, and my lovely friend Yvonne gave this to me. Her and Fritz from Dale's Way Therapy, really good friends of mine. I stayed with them before I came here, and they gave me a few bits and bobs to use because I said I would be doing a lot of hiking and things. I guess before I didn't really respect my body. So it's time with a change, with more stretching and using a neuro ball as well as this foam roller, which I've definitely seen short-term improvements and hope to make it a regular routine. I look forward to updating you on more future trips that are coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for all the lovely patrons for making this possible. Take care.